What's going on, YouTube? Hope y'all doing good. This is a quick, I'm gonna get down to the meat and potatoes. They're doing these Cavalry dashes. So you can get these Cavalry dashes, and a lot of times, you know, guys try to put these things just right directly over this. That's the wrong way to do this. They don't sit right. They don't fit in there properly. You know, if you look in the back, it doesn't go. You gotta stretch it, right? But the right way to do these things, you gotta get this off. The old broken, cracked up one. So let me show you. A lot of times if you peel this off, they still brittle and it takes so much work. So what you need, just your propane, your MAP gas, whatever you got. You just use that. And you gotta cut these off here in sections. You can't cut everything off because just because of where this lines up here, it just runs to the edges. So what I tend to do, like if you heat this up like this, it goes like this, it goes super soft. Can you see that? And what you gotta do now, once you heat this up like this, just take your knife, your utility knife, and you want to cut along the edges like this. Look, just right like that. And once it's heated up and it's really super soft like this, these just peel off like this. You see, this is a section here that's not heated up. You can hear it cracking. This is the section that's heated. So what you want to do, you just heat this up like this, just like that, and it just comes off like this. That's it. So when you're cutting it, like the way I do it on the edges here, I leave this inside on here and I just come around the edges like this, just along the top like this. So once you heat it up, as long as you go along here, you want to keep this back section on here. I like keeping it on anyway. So that's what I do. And I just come down like this. And any sections that's heated up, it just comes out really nice, just like that. So you just peel it off like that. And then when you put the Cavalry on, it goes on and it sits on there perfect. But when you try to get it on, going on the top of it, it has so much material, it never sits flat. So that's why it's so much difficult to get this Cavalry on with this on. So this is the proper way to get this off. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step throughout the video the way it comes out. Okay, so once again, just do that. Take your MAP gas, you heat it up. Don't go too much. But look, that's what I'm gonna show you guys real quick here. And then you get the drift, and I'll show you guys the end results. So I just come down this way. And you can trim it after to, you know, fit your needs, right? But I cut it down like that, and then it's like this, look. See, that's all you need, right there. That's it, and that's how you do them. And then you get the foam that still is intact. So if you got any broken sections, I'll just show you right over here. So that's the broken sections like that. And it just peels off. Just like that. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you get. That's what it looks like once the dash cap is on there. You gotta glue everything. Your corners will be coming around here, and then you can trim the extra foam from the original, because make sure those are in there. And then that's it. Then you gotta tap these in a bit. Once you get it in, it sits in better. But that's the way you gotta get it in order to fit properly, because if you have all the old vinyl stuff on there, the cap never fits on properly. So you gotta make sure, you gotta take your time, just trim it where you need it to. You gotta make sure you glue everything up. Your fascia cap comes on, obviously. And then your vents. And then that cleans up everything. So you just gotta take your time, get all this material off of here in order for the cap to fit properly on here. And once you get that way, you're happy with it, then you know the glue, you can use the glue that comes with these caps. And just make sure the temperatures are pretty good. Like I like to put it like 80 degrees around there. When it's nice and warm, make sure it's good. You can take a blow dryer and heat the foam up on the back end where it's super warm. But if you're trying to take these caps off, please be careful, because these things, they're really the material, I think they should do a little bit better with the material on these things. You can give it a little bit thicker material on this, because they're easy to crack, these things. I mean, super easy to crack. And that's how they fit in properly if you get it in. If you get it in properly, that's what it is. A lot of times what I do also is, once I get it down, I sand the edges down here with some sandpaper just to get it smooth, so it fits in, it tucks in a way better this way. And that's what I do. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll show you the end product, what it looks like once I get everything done. But basically that's what you need to do. That's it. So you guys stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, let me know. Thank you, appreciate it.